He would pet that dog. He would pet that dog. He would pet that dog. This is the life of a postal worker.
No, they're always late. We're always standing in line, listening to their stupid jokes. Hey, shut up and just give me a couple of stamps. There's the U.S. Post Office.
Well, he shot that dog. Then he shot his wife. Then he shot some friends. This was the life of a postal worker.
We're always late. We're always standing in line, listening to their stupid jokes. Oh, it's time for me to take a break. Oh, that's the U.S. Post Office. It's the U.S. Post Office. I hate you guys. Always standing in line.